Today, we are going to meet again our friend Abu Amar, the fisherman of Salalah, the best fisherman of Oman. If you haven't watched yet this video, then go and watch it and then watch this one. So here he is. With the camera on your face already. Not even I say hello. And already you have a camera on your face. How are you? This thing will never finish. How are you?
I am good, and you?
Salam alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
So, did you take many sardines today?
Full.
Full? Wow. Did you sell them all?
I sell very, very expensive. I buy 200. I sell maybe I think 300.
Wow. But you didn't buy, you take them.
No, because today I am not work with my friend.
Ah, you didn't fish there. You came here, you bought them.
Yes, after because I wake up 5:30. Because my friend told me, Abu Amar, you come to Raisut.
Okay.
5:30. I come in Raisut 5:30. I wait 1 hour. My friend not coming. Because you married, you know?
So married people don't go.
Yeah.
They're lazy.
Yeah.
Married people are lazy.
2 hours, I stop in the beach.
Okay. Waiting.
I waiting. After 11 o'clock, call me.
Okay.
Abu Amar is where? I am in the beach. Because the net start, when the net start, I am go work.
Of course.
Now, for me, it's okay. Now my friend go with another guy.
Okay. So you came to buy the fish and you sold it.
Yes.
You bought it for 200 riyal, you sold it for 300. This is a real businessman. I have to take a course. You have to teach me how to make money. Wow. Now we are going to the Haris?
That is it.
Okay. This is the lagoon, no?
Yeah.
Wow. So now we are going where? There?
Yes.
There were people there.
That is.
Oh,
I check is here. Maybe if you have too much sardine, I take.
Okay, so you don't fish today. You only take. Today you rest. We go to buy the sardines with him. I love this bird.
Because now only the people you see me because you have lady, you know.
So everybody immediately see you, your lady. I'm not wearing the belt. I forgot. No problem.
No problem.
Salalah, no problem.
No problem.
Here are the people. The fishermen. Oh my God, how amazing is here. Wow.
كيف؟ والله في عدو؟ خلاص. السلام عليكم.
عليكم السلام.
ماشي. ها؟ والله صغيرة كيسة صغيرة. صغيرة. طب من اللاحق. يلا. Maybe it's finished.
Ah. So you don't take them. What about those? No.
Because now this is my friend. Before you call me. ايش؟ ماشي والله. والله ماشي.
بيكاسو.
والله حد شله والله العظيم. اقسم بالله ما عندي.
Nothing?
Nothing. I stop.
Let's go and take a look at what they are doing. Wow, what an amazing thing here. Making myself wet. Wow, how many seagulls we have. This is interesting. Hello. They took many fish, huh? What's your name?
Ibrahim.
Ibrahim, hi. Salam alaikum. How amazing.
Hello.
Salam alaikum.
وعليكم السلام.
كيف حالك؟ الحمد لله.
طيبين.
Yeah, I'm okay, and you?
تحبين العومة؟
What?
You like Sardina? Yes.
Yes.
Perfetto, perfetto.
You finished? What? I came here to take the sardine with him and nothing.
No, see, start.
Everything is start,
Yeah.
and then. So now you want to buy them,
Yes.
and then you go to the market to sell them today.
In factory.
What is factory?
In big factory.
Factory.
Factory, yes.
Ah, you go now? I can come with you?
Yes.
I like it.
You come with me in the factory. I sell. I
Very
use
good.
my car. Yes.
Wow.
Okay, say. I am help for him because you don't have car.
Okay. You are pulling the boat.
Hello.
Hi.
ايه بعدين فوق انا يجي.
Let's try to understand what's happening here.
Now you have two net.
Okay.
One net finish, another net. Because
Okay.
this another net you have too much sardine.
Okay.
When you put the net outside for the sand. When finish, start again.
Okay. This place is not even real, you know. It's amazing. Look at all the birds in the backside. And they are fishing and it's so amazing. Look at how many birds. Look how the birds are going. They are fishing, so the birds are coming to take the fish. It's absolutely incredible. Incredible. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable where I am. Look, it's incredible. Wow. I never see something like that. It's really unbelievable. It's so beautiful from there with all the birds. I never see something like that. It's incredible when you're there. So I guess he's writing something like selling and the price. These are those moments when you feel weird that you are in a place and you say, what am I doing here? You finish everything?
Yes.
My cap is me, is full of shit, of the seagulls. Very nice. I love my life. So all these guys who were there were Pakistani, no? So how does it work? They come here in the morning, you give them job, or they hire someone, hire them?
No.
How does it work?
Because all for the money, not to give you now. Because if you have all that time, you have 7,000 real money. After you give him all people 100. You understand?
Oh, ma tu do Pakistani also?
Oh, the same Omani Pakistani.
Really?
100. All.
At the end of the month or the day?
No, maybe if you have the net, if you have 7,000 riyal Omani, after you give him the money.
Okay.
You wait for all the time. You're waiting for 7,000 because how many person you work?
A lot.
Lot of person you work.
So they make good money here.
Yes.
Compared to other Pakistani in the country, the salary is very low.
Very good.
Very low for other people. For them, it's good.
For Pakistani, very good. Because in Pakistan, no money here.
Yeah.
Every maybe 1 week, 100, maybe 2 weeks. 100 is good for him.
Yes, it is.
See, 10 minutes, maybe half an hour. I sell, I come back.
Okay, and where is the factory? There?
In Raisut.
Raisut, okay. So that's where we are going right now.
Yes.
Car is very dirty, of course. Because
Every day I am clean, wash. Every day. The night with Mercedes. Now for work.
Of course. Night Mercedes, now dirty car. Pick up. Fisherman in Oman, you have to pay taxes on what you earn.
No taxes.
No taxes.
No.
So all what you earn is yours.
Yes.
No tax.
No tax, never no tax. Because I am fisherman. I buy, I sell.
Okay.
Sometimes.
So no tax.
The people, you know, the net, you buy for me. Now this is the sardina for me.
Okay.
When I sell very expensive, no expensive, this same. I give him 200 riyal Oman.
Okay.
Maybe now I sell 400 riyal Oman.
Okay.
200 for me, 200 for
Them. No tax.
no tax.
That's good. But everything in Oman, no tax?
No tax. For sardina, no tax.
Okay. Good.
For the shop, for every tax, yes.
So shop, yeah. Okay. Factory also, yes.
Factory, I don't know. For me, no.
No, but I think yes.
I think yes.
Because it's a
The
big
government,
company.
You know? The company.
The company is owned by the government?
Yes.
Government company? Okay. There was the mosque, the call of the prayer.
Yeah.
Do you pray 5 times a day or no?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
But you didn't stop now? No.
Not now. Stop. When finish
The work and everything?
for work. After I go to wash my car.
Okay.
I go to your house, small mosque. I go to pray, finish my car.
Okay.
Maybe 25 years now.
That you're doing, and you love your job. You love your life?
Maybe yes.
Why? You love your job, but you don't love your life?
No.
Why?
Never.
Which life you want to do?
I didn't know now. I didn't know where is I like the life. I check.
Okay.
No.
What age you should retire as a fisherman?
Maybe not work, you have baby, you know, you have baby, 7 baby, 10 baby, no have job, no have everything.
Government
yes,
give you money.
Go to ask with the government, I have 5 baby, 6 baby, no have money. You give you every month 250, 300 like that.
Okay, they help.
Yeah. The lady, you know, like fisherman. This before lady, yes. This now the young lady, no like fisherman because you think when I am is big, no work, no have money. She think too much, you know?
Okay. So he's saying that girls nowadays don't like fishermen. They prefer they have a government job or in the bank or something. Yeah, they don't like. But you don't care. You're not married.
I think yes, maybe I don't know when I'm married. I don't know.
Yeah. No, I mean you're divorced now, so.
Yes, 7 years now.
Yeah.
I don't like now.
You're free.
Because I am single.
Yeah, better. Oh, so we have all the fish. Wow. We came to a Pakistani restaurant this time. Al Qadri in Salalah. What did you order?
Rice with chicken.
Rice with chicken I ordered, but the chicken with the naan, plain naan. So let's see how the food is going to be. Pakistani, but I said please no spicy. So we were saying that, you know, last time that he showed us his house, he's going to change the house, he sold that house, and he is building a new house in another city called Taka, where we went last time, actually to fish. So he's going to build a new house, so that's going to be far from everybody, far from the city. So he is free to do what he wants, and he will be relaxed,
Bravo, bravo.
relax and do what he wants. So maybe in June, so like in 6 months, the house will be finished, or 8 months. Yeah, when the house is finished, we are going to see his house, this new house. At the beginning, they bring us the vegetables.
This is what you want.
Yeah. Wow, the food is here. So this is the naan. Yeah, okay, thank you. Yeah.
0 0.
Zero Mavi.
Give Coca-Cola عادي. Yes.
Coca-Cola zero, no.
No, no, finito.
Finito, finish. So this is the chicken, and this is chicken again, right?
Yes.
Chicken.
With chicken.
Wow. All right. Buon appetito. Enjoy your food. Show how you eat. As long as I continue to cry because it was too chilly, he changed it and he brought me with no chili. This is a chili one, no chili. Spice, no spice. Let's try. So thank you, Abu Amar, for the day. Everything is clean here and ready for tomorrow. Where do you go tomorrow?
Tomorrow I am go to the net.
Okay.
Morning,
Okay.
4:30 I am stay in the beach.
Okay.
4 o'clock.
Okay.
You start maybe 8:30. I go with my friend. Okay. When I am finished everything, I call you.
Wow, okay.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Thank you. So I go back there, turn left, petrol station, right.
After go left.
I hope I can find it. Yes. Bye. Thank you.